This is the Hotel Ocean View in Arraial do Cabo. We are here spending the Carnaval. It's 2015 and we came from Rio de Janeiro. We watched the parades and we are 2 days to go back to United States, and we are enjoying this beautiful place here in Arraial do Cabo. Today is a little bit windy, but the water usually is very calm in the blue color. There's a lot of bars here, and we are in this suite. It's simple, but got everything you need. The water in the bathroom is very strong. All the pillows are good and smelling very good. There is a special smell on the towel, on the bedding clothes, very clean. We're enjoying this so much, and a little sad because today is Thursday and then we are going back Saturday. We just got here to Praia Grande, and the man here from this little place from the lake, this little kiosk, he set up this umbrella to Pete because he's too windy. He had to put some string here on the back, and prepare to see this water. The color is so blue, so beautiful. That's beauty. They're selling corn here. You don't have to worry about to bring things because they sell a lot of foods, drink on the beach. How are you feeling, bebê, on this Arraial do Cabo paradise?
Muito bom.
Now we're gonna go to the beach, but we are going to the beach between the mountains. We're gonna go up to the mountains, and then we go to a very wild, small beach. The access is not so easy, but when you get there, you find that's a blue lagoon. We are taking some chocolate cake to our room because it's so good.
Like this.
Ready to go to the beach? What is it?
The sandwich.
Oh my gosh! Porra, Pete! Porra! Desculpa, gente, ele me assustou. Porra, was that true?
Just get my balance.
Porra, sweetie, don't scare me like that. Oh my gosh!
Your foot.
Ai, sabe que eu sou assustada? Meu Deus do céu. Baby, go take a shower first, okay?
My lips hurt really bad.
Let me see. Oh my gosh, you got your lips really bad. You gotta put something in there. You look like a lobster, sweetie.
I give up.
Oh my gosh. Go there, Mama. Go take a shower.
Oh, fuck. No, it's not funny.
Let me see. We are on the top of the pontai of Arraial. This is Praia dos Anjos, baby. Look at Praia dos Anjos over there. Take your time to drive 3 hours from Rio de Janeiro to get to know Arraial. It's a paradise. A lot of love, very romantic, very beautiful.